This is a shout out to anyone in the UK that is still buying bubble mailers. Whether it's Jiffy, Mail-Lite, Feather Post or the Aerofoil brand. There is something that will save you money switching to now, and paper-based. This doesn't have to be made in Germany or China. We make these in Cambridgeshire. So please, please promote paper-based sustainable alternatives. We make this with a zero carbon footprint in Cambridgeshire, completely plastic free, at lightning speeds of efficiency. We've tried and perfected it with the world's largest internet retailers. You probably recognise these going through your post as M1s, M2s, M3s, M4s. There's a whole host of other dozen sizes here, but no longer does it cost you any extra. In fact, I'm pretty sure you'll make a saving. We're checking our prices weekly online to any price out there for bubble mailers, so there literally is no reason for anyone to keep buying these single-use plastics. And when they say they can be recycled, it's absolute BS. That's only if you go inside the bag and you literally take out the plastic from within it and separate that. Nobody does that. So plastic forever, sustainable and recyclable never. This is what you need, and it will probably make you a saving. So stop buying them. Mal happy.